Whoever I met before you either broke my heart or disappointed me. You are a special person who has brought untold happiness into my life. You are my everything. The sound of my name on your lips is the best thing that I can ever hear every single day. The thought of hearing your laugh already brings the smile to my face that lasts for weeks. Up there in the heaven above, I believe an angel is watching over me and sent you to me. The heaven must be feeling generous to me because they sent one of their own, you. In my book, you are my princess. In my body, you are my heart. And in my life, you are my everything. You are the perfect mix of everything I have ever craved. You are my love story, and I write you into everything I do, everything I see, everything I touch, and everything I dream. You are the words that fill my pages. Love shapes everything that you do and everything that you are. You are my everything. You are my dream come true. And I just want to let you know that you are my everything. You are everything. You are everything to me, and for that, I will forever be grateful to you, my darling. To find the sense of life is the blessing, but meeting the person who will become your world is even a bigger one. I am lucky to do this. I don't need to go far away to see the world. My world is always with me when I stay with you. My heart is and always be yours.